All set. My name is Regulator Karama and my present number is 26. My name is Tamal Karananta, my present number is 20.
My name is Aisyah Fiala. My present number is 2. My name is Safia Yuli Haryanti and my present number is 29. We will role play at the title and the
Please enjoy it.
Good morning. Welcome to our restaurant. Good morning. How many people? Just one. There is one table. Yes, it feels comfortable to hear that. I bring the bottle for you. Okay, thank you. Here is bottle for you. Okay, thank you. There are many choices here. I see a lot food out here. It's hard to choose. Yes. Can you recommend something? Yes. Mommy. This one is spaghetti bolognese. Can you tell me more about it? Yes. Many popular dishes. Okay, thank you. Excuse me. I will order spaghetti bolognese. Need iced tea. Yes, I order iced tea, please. And sweet or less sweet? Less sweet, please. Okay, thank you.
Alright, I put your order. Okay, I will prepare it for you. I'm holding the pasta now.
Alright, thank you.
No, I'm the sauce.
It smells really good.
Yes, it's the special sauce. Spaghetti isn't, you know?
Yes, thank you, sir. There is what Okay, thank you. This like is very delicious. Yes. Excuse me. Result are paid. Yes. The sauce is very delicious and nice. I'm happy. I'm happy together. Okay. Result are paid. Where is your bill? Please check it very soon. Okay, thank you.
Afternoon, are you ready to pay? Good afternoon, are you ready to pay?
Good afternoon. I would like to pay for my food.
Your total is 35,000 rupiah.
Can you explain the price, please?
Yes, the spaghetti is 30,000 rupiah and the iced tea 5,000 rupiah.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Here is the money. The price is quite portable. This is your money.
Yes, we try to keep our prices reasonable.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, let me count it. Please, please let me count it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you for your service. Everything was great.
You'll be happy you to hear that.
Okay, this meal is very delicious and this place is very comfortable. Thank you very much.
We hope to see you again.
Okay, I will come back next time again.
See you.
Did you enjoy Yes, I really enjoyed the meal. The spaghetti was delicious. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you. Thank you.